Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a very euphoric and nostalgic makeup tutorial for you guys today. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And yeah guys, let's get right into this makeup look. First things first, I want to set my eyes for our eyeshadow. So I'm going to go in with my Kylie Jenner concealer in the color Granola. And I'm just going to blend that like so with my fingers just to get all the product in. And if you guys see any hands or stuff, that's my little babies right in front of me while I'm doing this makeup tutorial. Don't mind them. But next we're going to set our concealer, and I'm going to be using my Morphe Bake and Set powder in the color Banana Rich, and I'm just going to set that with my Morphe blending brush. And now I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Zulu palette, and I'm going to go in with this pretty bright yellow color. I'm going to put that in the front of my crease. And next I'm going to go in with this pretty orange color just to brighten up that rainbow effect in our eyes. I know I didn't do it in the same exact color order of the rainbow, but I'm going to go in with that reddish color also and add it to the orange. I thought it would be perfect to add the darker colors to the crease, so I'm going to add this bluish green color to the ends of my crease, and I'm going to go in with my concealer just to clean up all of that eyeshadow and to conceal my face. And of course I'm going to be using that same Kylie Jenner concealer in the color Granola. Now we're going to go in with our Urban Decay Elements palette in the color Sapphire Dream, and we're just going to add that to the outer crease just to darken that up. And of course, we're going to take our damp beauty blender and blend in our concealer like so. And I really don't like using pencils, so I'm going to use my Tom Ford Detail Blending Brush, and I'm going to go in with the Saharan palette by Juvia's Place in the color Mud, and I'm going to use that to make my eyeliner. I just think it's so much easier than using a pencil. And now to add a little bit more dimension and darken up our crease, we're going to go back in with that Urban Decay palette, and we're going to use the color Hex Remedy. It's just this pretty purple color, and we're going to blend that in with our crease. And with a pretty eyeshadow, you guys, blending is everything, especially when you have so many different colors and you're putting them together. You really want to blend as much as possible. And now it's time for our foundation, you guys. And I'm going to be taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation, and this is in the color Warm Coconut. Of course, we're going to be blending that in with a damp beauty blender. And now it's time to add our highlight to our brow bone and to our face. So I'm going to be using the Kylighter in the color Ice Me Out. And I'm going to be using my Tom Ford Detail Brush to add that. Guys, I love to cream contour first before I use a powder contour, so I'm going to be using my Nars cream contour in the color Dark Coffee, and I'm going to add that before I use my powder contour. If you guys have been watching my videos for a minute, you know I love to use shadows for my contour. So I'm going to go back in with the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and use this beautiful brown color. And now it's time to line our lips. You guys know I hate liners. I love using my Tom Ford Detail Brush. It never fails me. So I'm going to go back in with the Juvia's palette, the Saharan palette. I'm going to use that Mud color again, and I'm just going to line my lips. And now it's time to bake, you guys. I'm going to use that same Morphe Banana Rich powder, and I'm going to bake my face.
In the darkest hour, I wanna come for you. I know you've been.
Okay guys, while I'm baking, I'm going to add my Kylie lipstick in the color Butterscotch, and this is one of her cream lipsticks. I usually stick to my mattes, but Kylie has literally made me fall in love with cream lipsticks. And just so it doesn't look like we're just lining our lips with that dark black, we're going to go in with that pretty brown color that I used to contour from the Zulu palette, and I'm just going to line my lips with that like so.
Afraid to leave, afraid to show. Afraid to leave, afraid to leave, afraid to show. So I'm
And now we're just going to take our Morphe fan brush and we're going to blend away our baking powder.
lost and looking for a soul. Grabbing for what you can hold.
And because that baking powder kind of brightened up our look, we want to get back to our regular skin tone. So I'm going to go in with this loose setting powder by Wet n Wild Photofocus, and this is in the color Deep. And now you guys, I'm going to go in with that same Kylighter Ice Me Out that I used earlier for my brow bone and put that on my nose. That's the only place I put my highlight in. I'm going to spray my face with my Badescu, you guys, and I'm going to do my lashes off camera just because I'm super blind and I need to focus. But I'm going to be going in with my Wet n Wild mascara, and I'm going to add that to the bottom part of my lashes and my false lashes just to blend them together.
But you also had your cup filled up.
Okay guys, we're going to end this look with our simple clear lip gloss, and I'm just going to spray a little bit of my Badescu, and that's it for this look, you guys.
Around every time you return.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this makeup tutorial and try it out yourselves, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.